Hi, Charlie here. It's my garage in the back here, and thought we'd give you a little tour of what we've done in the last 2 years since we built it. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of moved in here quite a bit. Here's my project car I'm working on right there. It's a 1926 Ford, and it's got a 302 in it. I put up a bunch of my memorabilia from various races and things I've been to over the years. And I call this machine row, where I have some of my equipment. Over here is the workbench that I built with all the dunnage from the truck that brought up all my steel. And yep, and it's complete with cable TV and Wi-Fi. And I put a 100 amp service in. Over here, there's a 100 amp service, which is a tap off of the house. And of course, we installed the mechanism for the garage door, and that works great. We put the fan in, but it's up there under boxed in right now. I need to open it back up because it just got warm. And yeah, then over here is how I'm sewing the inside of the car. You can see I'm making progress. I just have the interior to finish, and then she'll be ready to be on the road full time. And over here we got a little storage. I framed out the sides and put pegboard on everything because I love to hang things up so it kind of keeps things out of the way. Anyhow, this was one of my bucket list things, to have a nice shop to work in and work on my projects and build cars and fix things. I love to fix things. And anyway, that's all from here. And hope you, if you build a building like this, you won't be disappointed. These people were great. They supported me 100% in the build project. Plenty of material came with it. All the bolts, nuts, screws, glue, everything, caulking, everything you needed to put this building together. Insulation works great. I'd highly recommend you put the insulation package in, particularly if you live in the cold weather. And I put radiant heat in the floor, and I keep it at about 55 during the winter. You come out here, you can work in a sweatshirt and be 100% comfortable, and nothing sweats. And you don't have any of that air. You don't have to worry about spraying paint or anything like that because there's no open flame. Anyhow, once again, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.